Morning. Welcome back to Ha Giang. We made it. We did the loop. What a fantastic trip that was. I hope you enjoyed the videos and experienced some of the magic of that trip. It was really magic is a perfect word to describe it. So today is a travel day. We are heading back to Hanoi on a bus. It takes about 6 hours, so it's not going to be much to film. So I thought I'd make this video in the morning, not only because last night I forgot, but last night I also might have been indulging in the 70-cent stein. I think 650 mils of beer for 70 cents. It was a little bit too tempting for me, so I probably had one or two too many. But yeah, no, I'm making this video this morning. Thank you for watching the series if you have, for following along. Our holiday isn't done yet. We've got about a week and a half to go through other parts of Southeast Asia, even other parts of Vietnam. So if you are liking the content, and I know I'm not the greatest actor in the world to seem bubbly and excited, but I am really enjoying this trip. So if I don't seem like a typical bright, bubbly YouTube travel vlogger, and maybe I need a few acting lessons, but this is fantastic. I'm having a great time, and it may not come across, so forgive me for that, but I do thank you for watching. And from awesome Ha Giang, signing off for the final time. Loop completed. We are off on a tour. I've got my tourist tag around my neck. We've just stopped at the halfway point between Hanoi and Ha Long Bay. We're going on an overnight cruise to Ha Long Bay to check out the World Heritage site. I didn't really want to come all this way and not see it. It's apparently beautiful, so we splashed out and we spent the money and we're going on a cruise. So the next 24 hours is going to be a very slow-paced, luxurious, hopefully, and beautiful view around Ha Long Bay. Excuse the horns. It's hard to escape them. So come along with us. We'll check it out, see what there is to see, and I'll show you around the boat, around the Ha Long Bay World Heritage area. I think there may even be kayaking, but I'm not 100% sure at the moment. There's been a little bit of news around that, so we'll have to see. They might substitute something, but yeah, we're about an hour and a half from Ha Long Bay now, so get back in the little minivan and we'll see you there. So this is a 24-hour cruise. So one night, 2 days, we're going to do a bit of kayaking, a bit of sightseeing around this beautiful bay. Hopefully I can get the drone up and mix in some of that footage and show you. But things like play game, karaoke, squid fishing, Tai Chi, cooking classes, all that kind of stuff. So it's a very, very touristy thing, but hey, here we are. So for the next 24 hours, we will be cruising Ha Long Bay together. So come along, see what there is to see how touristy we can be. Maybe you'll sing some songs and see where the night takes us. But yeah, Ha Long Bay, let's get into it. We're about to pull up in this bay. I think I'm going to go for a kayak if we can. There's a little incident a few days ago where some people went missing. I think they found them, but you know, they just went off on their own with the kayaks and got in trouble, so the government has suspended it for a day or two. But I think we're going to get a chance. So as you can see, it's pretty popular. There's boats everywhere. So dinner, cooking classes, karaoke, party, whatever that means. I assume it's just drinks and music, and pretty chilled, pretty relaxed. Kind of needed it after that loop, so go and sit on these sunbeds and see you in a bit. Caught a glimpse of it coming up those stairs inside there. Didn't realise what it was until now, but I think a lady's actually broken a leg or an ankle or something. She's sitting in that chair in this boat that's pulled up, and they're clearly taking her and a couple of her relatives back to the mainland. So unfortunate short end of the trip for her, but the show goes on, I suppose.
Leaving it up to him, do all the work. We're just going on a bit of a kayak around Ha Long Bay. Not bad. Not really much more to see in the kayak than there is in the boat that's just there. But we thought we'd get out and be a little bit adventurous. So here we are. How you going back there, Clint?
You see any promotional material from, was it Aqua of the Seas and their drone footage? You know, just saying.
He thinks he's a celebrity now. Alrighty, we are sailing off into the sunset as we speak. Landscapes around here are just beautiful. Very, very pretty.
Just doing some promotional work. You know, I'm kind of a big deal in Vietnam now, apparently, even though I haven't posted any of the videos.
There's a couple of promotional people on the ship and they saw that Clint had a drone. So they asked if they could get some promotional work done using his drone. So of course, Clint said yes. Mountains as far as the eye can see. Crazy.
Something really nice. This dark stuff, you know, so you get white and you get pink dragon fruit. The pink stuff makes you poo that colour.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You want me to show you a bit later?
No.
Sure.
No, that's kind of cool though.